Hey guys, Tim Cray here, Expert Power Wash, Vancouver, Washington. Hey, just want to show you guys some new shirts we just got in. Ordered these from FinPrint, so they're out of Canada. Today was the first day wearing them out on the job. Customer actually commented on the shirts. So if you guys are gonna get some shirts or uniforms, look professional, go with FinPrint. Let's take a look.
All right, guys, here's a polo shirt. This one we'll be using for doing estimates. Collared shirt looks a little more professional when you're out in the field. Show you the back of the shirt I was wearing here. Just some of the things that we got on our shirt. Reason why I wanted to show you guys these shirts are awesome. I mean, you can't go wrong with a FinPrint shirt. They're not paying me to put this video out. I simply just put this video out because these shirts are awesome. Keep you cool. If you get them wet, they dry super fast. You know, hold up to using SH all day. The shirts won't stain. Just perfect shirts. So can't say enough good things about them. Love these shirts from FinPrint. Perfect shirt for pressure washing. So if you guys are looking for a shirt, check them out. FinPrint in Canada. They're hand cut, sewing, custom order. Each shirt's made to order. So these shirts we're using. All right, guys, have a good one.